Welcome to School Page Key Concepts. States of matter explained. Let us now revise the properties of solid, liquids and gases. Solids have definite shape and volume because the particles in solids are tightly packed. Here are few examples: containers, pencils, ice cubes, spectacles, trophies. Whereas liquids have definite volume but they take the shape of container. The particles in liquids are loosely arranged with a lot of intermolecular space. Some examples of liquids are water, coffee, juice, milk. Gases neither have definite shape nor the volume because the molecules are very far away from each other. The water vapor is the best example, and the different gases we find in the atmosphere like carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur dioxide. From matter sometimes changes its states from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, and also from gas to solid and solid to gas without involvement of the middle state, that is the liquid state. One classic example for this interconversion of the states is the change in the states of water. Water exists in three different states as ice, liquid water and water vapor. Solid ice changes to liquid state and the process is called melting. Liquid water changes to gas through vaporization and vapor becomes ice by deposition. Conversion of liquid water to solid ice is called freezing. When water changes its state from vapor to liquid, it's called condensation. It is what happens when it rains. Solid ice sometimes directly evaporates into vapor without undergoing the middle phase, that is the state of water. This process is called sublimation. The change in the states of matter occurs because of the change in the temperature and pressure. As the temperature increases, the matter changes its state because the kinetic energy of the molecules will increase, which in turn increases the interparticle space and hence the states of these matter. We have now understood matter, the different states of matter, the factors which affect the different properties of these states, and the interconversion of the states of matter. Now let us have a quick recap of the properties of different states of matter. Solids, liquids and gases have definite mass. Solids have definite shape. Liquids take the shape of container, whereas gases have no definite shape. Solids and liquids have a definite volume, whereas gases, the volume is indefinite because the particles are very far away from each other. Particles in solids are most tightly packed, whereas in liquids they are less closely packed, and in gases the particles are very far away from each other and hence are not packed. The interparticle force of attraction is the strongest in the solids. This attraction is weaker in liquids when compared to that of solids and is negligible in gases. The kinetic energy of particles is least in solids because the particles do not move, and high in liquids and highest in the gases as the particles are very far away from each other and are moving very freely. When we consider individual states, solids have definite mass, shape and volume. The particles are most tightly packed and the interparticle force of attraction is the strongest and kinetic energy being the least. Liquids have definite mass, they take the shape of the container, the volume is definite, the particles are loosely packed and the interparticle force of attraction is weaker compared to that of solids, their kinetic energy is high. Gases have definite mass but shape and volume being indefinite. The particles are very far away from each other and hence are not packed. The interparticle force of attraction negligible as the particles are very far away from each other, and the kinetic energy being the highest. Thank you for watching. For more videos, visit our website schoolpage.me.